Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious garlic butter. First, gather your ingredients: 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, and 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced. You'll also want a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. For an extra touch, consider adding some fresh herbs like parsley or chives. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a versatile spread. Now, let's get mixing. Take your softened, unsalted butter and place it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add your finely minced garlic, along with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Using a fork or a small spatula, gently but thoroughly combine all these wonderful ingredients. Make sure the garlic is evenly distributed throughout the butter, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. This step is quick and easy. Want to elevate your garlic butter even further? Try some delightful variations. For a fresh, herbaceous note, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. A small squeeze of about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice can brighten the entire flavor profile. If you enjoy a little heat, add 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. For a savory, umami boost, a teaspoon of grated Parmesan cheese works wonders. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Once your delicious garlic butter is ready, it's time to think about storage and serving. Transfer the butter to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. For longer enjoyment, you can freeze it for up to 3 months. This versatile spread is perfect melted over steamed vegetables, slathered on warm toast, or stirred into hot pasta for an instant flavor upgrade. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.